Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see the project organization in Studio. Project organization in Studio here it is used to identify a suitable workflow layout for your automation project. There are different project layout. A project layout defines how the various components of a project are organized. There are four diagrams for integrating activities into a working structure when developing a workflow file. One is flowchart, second is sequence, third is global state machine, fourth is global exception handler. We will discuss each in different recordings. I'm going to give the overview of the project layout diagram in this recording. Okay, so moving to the project layout. An appropriate project layout should be selected for a workflow. So when to use what? First one, sequence. When will you use sequence? When there is a clear succession of steps without too many conditions, we will go for sequence. When you need to nest simple workflow, it should be a linear simple workflow, then we will go for sequence. Flowchart. When there is a complex flow with several conditions, we will go for flowchart. Also, when there is a flow that runs continuously or that terminates only in specific condition, we will choose flowchart. State machine. When there is a finite number of clear and stable states to go through in the workflow, we will go for state machine. Also, when there are continuous workflow that are more complex, we will go for state machine. Similar to the state machine, we have a template which is already defined by UiPath, that is RE framework. And in the state machine, if you see, it is a complex structure that can be seen as a flowchart with conditional arrows called transitions. It enables a more compact representation of logic. It is suitable for a standard high-level process diagram or transactional business process template. So this is how the state machine is. And global handler, if you see, I have mentioned as global exception handler. Global exception handler is used along in a process along with the different projects wherein we can handle the exceptions which occurs in the runtime. If there is a try catch block, I think all are familiar with the try catch block. In the try catch block is implemented, then and the exception is clearly caught with various catching mechanism. If we have handled properly in the try catch, then the exception will flow to the try catch. If the try catch is not implemented, or if you are throwing the exception, you can handle the exception in the runtime or the execution time using the global execution handler in the process. So this is how we use or if we choose the different project layout according to the usage of the process. Thank you all.